Kids, this is what happens when you don't wear your seatbelt. You sometimes can go into the dashboard. Or the windshield, I should say. And then sometimes you can go down to the floor and get your butt wedged between the seat and the dashboard.
It's not even my butt.
And then you can't even get out.
It's not even my butt. It's my hips. I don't even have hips. And
I've tried to help her pull her out.
Jay,
I'm thinking I'm going to have to call get the jaws of life. Because she went down there at 5 miles an hour because she wasn't wearing her seatbelt and she was moving around. And I guess her pants are really slick.
Look!
Give me your hand. Come on. Now you have to pull here too.
I can't. Like I'm stuck. Like I'm legit stuck. It's those 4 fucking munchkins I have.
If you eat Dunkin' Donuts, this could happen to you too. Come on. Turn, grab the handle and turn there. Grab the shit handle.
I can't look. I'm
Quick,
stuck.
keep twisting. You got it. Hold on, let me move the seat backwards for you.
That's it. I'm sick. We're fucked.
Well, that's as far back as the seat goes.
I need a moment. My foot's already asleep. I can't feel it. It's numb. My waist is numb.
I can just see pulling in the fire department. Can you help me? Look, you're almost there. You're almost there. Come on. Finish. There. Oh, there you go. Oh.
I can't feel my leg.
Babe, you always ask, like, why do I love you?
Ow, my butt.
It's because you entertain me every day and you make my life so joyous with these wonderful belly laughs.
I got stuck. I legit got stuck. I can't feel me.
It'll be great. We'll get so many likes on this video.
I don't even have hips. I don't even have a belly. How did I get stuck?
Are you okay?
Dude, I get stuck in this little thing.
I love you.
I love you too.
If you're really hurting and it looks like something really dangerous, then I wouldn't.
This was dangerous, fool.
It was dangerous.
I couldn't feel this leg at this point. You could have literally sliced this leg and I would have been like, I got nothing.
So it's still asleep. Hold on. You feel this? Do you feel this?
Now I feel it. But I didn't feel it before.
All right. Well, everyone, she's okay. Okay, we'll stop drinking that coffee-filled one while we get your special Starbucks one. All right, say bye to everyone.
Hi, everyone.